Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here I have the XS Scuba Travel Hanger. So this is a gear hanger that folds up into itself so that it packs away really nice and neatly when you're not using it, but you can still use it to unfold it and then hang your gear up, everything from your BCD to your regulators and any sort of bits and bobs, so it can drip dry between dives. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives, in a plastic bag, unfortunately, but hey, what are you going to do apart from dispose of this responsibly? So on the inside, you get your travel hanger, and that's it really. So let's just get straight into the closer look. So yeah, packs away nice and small, and it's relatively light. It's not particularly heavy in any way, so I'd be quite happy traveling with this, just sort of throwing it in as a little bit of an extra, because it's not particularly big, but then when you unfold it, it is a normal sized sort of BCD hanger. At the top, so starting with the main hook, so this is, you can see how it's that kind of like H-bar, it's kind of cut away in the middle, and very, very strong, decent size as well, so it means it's going to hook over larger objects as well as small ones, obviously. It rotates, which is very, very handy, so that you can organize your gear and sort of keep it nice and tidy. When lots of stuff is all sort of hanging facing the same direction, you can make yours face the same direction. And then down in the sort of the main body of it, you get the two arms, and they both hinge upwards, but then when they go down, of course, they lock in position. They have these hooks, so they're for your BCD shoulder straps, so you put your BCD on and then it's not going to slip over the sides. And then at the front, you have these two little hooks, and these are really for hoses and any sort of accessories, so you can clip stuff onto that. They both hinge up out of the way if you're not using them, but then you can just sort of unfold them. You've got two different ones. You've got this one, which is nice and long and has a sort of a slot there for some kind of strap. And then the smaller one, which is more sort of two small hooks, again for sort of hoses, just to sort of hold them in position. So all in all, yeah, a really handy little sort of gadget, just so that when you're out and about and you want to sort of hang your gear up so it can dry, especially drip dry, you can just sort of hook it wherever you want. But most of these kind of coat hangers and BCD hangers, wetsuit hangers and whatnot, they're all fairly big and bulky, and they take up a fair amount of space, so trying to travel with them can be a bit of a pain. But because this one folds up, and it folds up pretty well, yeah, it's a great little companion. So yeah, I'd definitely like using one. Yeah, very handy little gizmo. More information can be found on our website, simplyscuba.com. There's going to be a link down in the description below that will take you straight to it. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.